Yeah!
Hey there, Lingokids! Today, we're drawing a fantastic beast. One that can breathe fire and fly high in the sky. Do you know what it is? It's a dragon. Grab some paper and a pencil and let's get started. The first step to drawing our dragon is giving it a head. Dragons have lots of bumps and curves, so take your time. First, draw an upside down letter U. This is the outline of your dragon's head. Now, we'll draw our dragon's snout. On the right side of our upside down U, draw a short straight line followed by 2 small half circles, like this. Draw 2 ovals inside the snout for the dragon's nostrils. So far, so good. Next, draw a curved line from the snout that goes inside the dragon's head like this. Curve it up toward the end to give your dragon a shining smile. Add a U-shaped line on top to finish its smile. Now, start from the mouth and draw a line down to the left and then curved up to make the chin. Draw a small bump on the left side and then a bigger bump on top to complete the head. Now just add 2 ovals on top, 1 on each side for the ears, and draw 2 smaller ovals inside. And don't forget to add 2 horns underneath. We can also give our dragon a nice big horn on top of his head by drawing a triangle. Excellent work, Lingokids! Our dragon has its head, but now it needs a face. In the middle of the dragon's head, add 2 big circles for eyes. Draw a smaller circle inside each eye. Outline the rims of its eyes and add 3 half ovals at the top to give your dragon big eyelashes. Finally, add 2 triangles pointing downward from your dragon's smile for teeth. To give our dragon a body, we have to start with its neck. Start towards the left side of the body of the head by drawing a long straight line and then repeat it from the right side of its head. Great job, Lingokids! You just drew your dragon's neck. Starting from the left side of the neck, draw a line that curves out into a bell shape for the dragon's belly. Repeat this on the right side too. At the bottom of the bell, add a little half circle on either side for your dragon's paws. Add a triangle to each paw for the dragon's claws in case he needs to scratch his belly. Inside the dragon's belly, add a shape like a curved door for his chest. Connect the dragon's feet together at the bottom to finish the dragon's body. Wow, Lingokids, you're doing fantastic! Next, our dragon needs legs. Behind the dragon's front paws, add another back paw with a triangle claw on either side. Add a long tilted oval for legs, like this. In the center of the legs, add a line to show that the legs are curved and our dragon is sitting down. You remember that dragons love to soar through the air with their wings, right? To give our dragon wings, add 3 half circles in a row on either side of the dragon's neck. At the end, draw another slightly curved line back towards the neck. Then move the curve down so that the wings are bigger on the outside and smaller on the inside, like this. Add 2 lines inside each wing. Wow, our dragon is almost ready to fly. Our dragon looks like he's ready to take off, but it needs a tail to keep his balance. On the left side behind the dragon's left back leg, Add a long curved shape like a backwards S. At the end of the S, add an arrowhead. Great job, Lingokids! We're almost there. Draw lots of circles all over your dragon. These are his spots, and they can be all different sizes. Draw as many as you want. He's your dragon. Now that we've got our dragon down, it's time for some color. We'll need the following colors: light green, green, dark green, dark pink, light pink, yellow, orange, and black. Use light green to fill in the dragon's body. Use green to color in the dragon's ears and his back legs. Use dark green to fill in the dragon's nostrils and tail. Then use the light green, green, and dark green to color in all the dragon's spots. Pick and choose which color to use for which spots. Use dark pink to color in the tip of the dragon's tail, its wings, its eyelashes, and half of the swirls on its top horn. Fill in the rest of the horn swirls with light pink. Use yellow to color in the dragon's chest. And his two smaller horns. Use orange to color the dragon's claws. And finally, use black to fill in the pupils of the dragon's eyes. Now that's one magical looking dragon. Parents, your child did great. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us. See you next time. More songs and activities on our YouTube channels. And more Playlearning fun in the Lingokids app.